Hey everybody, hope you're doing okay this weekend. It's Mr. McComb with a fifth grade update. It's Sunday right now as I'm recording this, so if you see this later on, hopefully you enjoy a little bit of dustings of snow here and there, pretty to look at in the mornings and things like that. Just giving you a quick update on things going on this week as we come back. So first of all, we are going to enjoy our nice day off on Monday for Martin Luther King Day. Hopefully we're all looking forward to, again, having a nice extra day to the weekend. Tuesday, we're going to start the map testing for math in the afternoon. We give them the morning to come back, and I'm actually planning to do a few Martin Luther King Day based activities and things to help us, be aware of what that day is all about, and probably need a lot of that these days. With the map testing, we're going to do that after lunch in the afternoon. Hopefully it'll be a lot smoother this time. It'll be our first time doing it with the tablets. We don't have to, coordinate getting around to the computer lab with other classes and things like that. So we've been able to just pick our time when we want to. So we're going to do Tuesday, get out of the way early in the week, but also give them the morning to kind of get settled back in at class. We're going to start with math next week, probably next Tuesday as well. We'll do the reading one as well. They want us to just do one a week. But again, hopefully it'll be nice and easy to do since we have all our tablets available. And the kids have been doing a great job with those this entire time. So hopefully that'll be a fun little adventure to continue our progress on working with our technology. So map testing on Tuesday, that first day back. Aside from that, what else is going on this week? We're going to continue working on multiplying decimals. We'll get into some extended process problems with multi-digit decimals. I can see actually what we got into last week, there was a little bit of, always knocking off the rust when we're getting back to a new thing. We've been working on so much on the adding and subtracting process. And even though we know how to multiply numbers, it takes a little practice just to kind of get back to make it, second nature kind of stuff. So we had to go back through that process a little bit just to, help clear up any mistakes, anything. Sometimes we're going too fast. We haven't done it in a while. It's easy to kind of get off the rails. So I think as we go in more and more into it, we'll eventually get into, again, multiplying decimals by decimals. The kids are doing a great job with handling the decimals, and we'll keep doing that. So I think as I usually see, by the time we get to the end of a week, we got it down pretty good, and we'll look forward to continuing that. In science, last week we had a good time learning a little bit about space exploration history, and we started an enrichment or Halo Bell project that involves all our students, so not just on our Halo Bell days. And we wanted to make sure this is something everybody could do since we're all learning about this stuff in science. Everybody's given an astronaut or cosmonaut. There are a few from Russia that have made significant achievements and played a big role in our history as humans of exploring the world beyond our atmosphere, the worlds beyond our atmosphere. And so we're going to continue that, and they'll be similar to the social studies project they did with Miss Cullen, where they learned about explorers that explored the new worlds, North and South America, back in those times that they're studying, but also the new places to explore, not here on our planet. So there's a lot of significant contributions from a lot of engineers and scientists that have done well with that. We also did a good job, had a fun time getting out to the football field to create our scale model of the solar system. And that was a lot of fun, a lot of good learning going on there to show how far spread out things are. Even when we do shrink our planet sizes down to really, really tiny, small dots on index cards, basically, we still needed all that room for us to represent the size and distance comparisons. And this week we'll get into stars and galaxies next. So again, like this book, the science textbook really does a good job starting with the things closest to us. So previously we studied the sun and the moon as well as the Earth, the things that are closest to us we can see without telescopes. We've expanded out into the solar system, and now we go further beyond our solar system as we learn about stars and galaxies this week, and that's a lot of fun too. So I look forward to continuing that. English started with pronouns. Just kids did a good job. A little practice here and there, all about those significant parts of speech. Basically, a lot of the emphasis was how can we replace certain nouns with pronouns, and that's what pronouns are all about. So we'll continue that. We'll get into object pronouns when we use I versus when we use me, and also when we use possessive pronouns as well. So we'll hopefully get to that. That's a lot to dive into this week, especially on a short week. So we may not get all the way through that, but that's kind of the goal. Other than that, that's kind of what's going on. Big thing too. Enjoy the day off Monday. Tuesday we'll do the map testing. We'll have the rest of the week after that to continue getting back onto our regular schedule. So again, hope you guys are enjoying the weekend so far. Hope you enjoy having Monday off, and I will see you on Tuesday. Thanks, everybody.